How to install the slot recessed from Mark Lighting. Before we begin, review the installation manual for a complete list of safety instructions. We recommend having these submittal drawings on hand at the start of the installation. Submittal drawings for your project can be requested from your distributor and sales agent, or by contacting technical support. Choose from a range of trim options, including FL, GB, and TG, along with regressed options such as flush and 1-inch depth, with shielding options including 1/2 inch, 1 inch, and 1.5 inch drop lens, and louver options. First, prepare the slot recessed run by laying out all components on a clean flat surface. Identify each section by its ID number, order number, and section position as shown on the record drawings. Before installing, remove the lens only. Using a plastic putty knife or similar tool, slowly pry the lens away from the fixture. Make sure the circuit is not live until all sections are wired and connected. Lay the first fixture into the appropriate grid sealing configuration and attach the grid clip to the grid member using the provided number 8 by 1/2 inch screws. The grid must fit around the trim as shown on the submittal. Once the first fixture is in place, remove the access plate and make the power supply connection. Make electrical connections either at the end cap or the wire access plate on top. Then secure the plate back to the housing with the provided screw. To connect adjoining sections, connect the wires together. Engage the straight aligning keys at the bottom of each fixture section. Make the self-bend tab from one fixture with the tab slot of the adjoining fixture to align the housing. Then secure the fixture sections together using 4 number 8 by 1/2 inch screws installed on opposite sides as shown. Insert the sliding joiners through the slots and tighten with the provided screws. Finish securing the access plate with the provided screw. Continue down the run, attaching each fixture to the grid with the grid clips. For additional support, use support wires from the extended yoke to the structure above. With all fixtures mounted, wired, and secured, snap the lens back into the housing following the correct lens orientation. If your configuration includes the integrated emergency option, sensor option, or downlight options, confirm each accessory is seated and operating before completing the installation. Experience the slot recessed from Mark Lighting. To learn more about our full slot family of architectural linear fixtures, visit marklighting.acuitybrands.com.